Back
We've
row.
been in the back row.
Should be fun. It's gonna whip us over that
Let's see what
hill.
happens. Yeah, it is. This might be a little bumpy back here.
Here we go.
Woo! Holy shit!
That's such a good ride.
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh. People that don't like that coaster are insane.
Wasn't actually too bad in the back seat, rough wise. We were for sure flying through those bunny hills.
Oh my god, it was great. Although to be fair, I do think I got more airtime up the front.
Yeah, maybe.
But it felt faster in the back.
Yeah.
So
Little hill.